In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed a longer note or a detailed label into a cell, and it spilled over into the next column, or got cut off entirely, text wrapping is the clean, reliable fix. Wrapping makes the text break onto new lines within the same cell, so everything stays readable without stretching your columns too wide. Start by heading to Google's homepage in your browser. At the top right, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From there, click on Google Sheets to launch it. If you land on the Sheets home screen, you're in the right place. You can proceed from any spreadsheet you have open. The goal is simply to be in a sheet where you can see the cells you want to adjust. Next, highlight the cells where you want text to wrap. You can drag to select a range, click a column letter to select an entire column, or hold Shift to extend your selection. If you're working with headers or long descriptions, it's often helpful to include those cells too, so the formatting is consistent across your sheet. With your cells selected, go to the menu bar at the top and click Format. A drop-down will appear. Move your mouse over Wrapping to reveal the text wrapping options. You'll see choices like Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Now click Wrap. Instantly, the selected cells will adjust so any long content breaks onto multiple lines within the cell rather than spilling over. A couple of quick notes to help you get the neatest result. When text wraps, Google Sheets will automatically increase the row height to show the full content. If you prefer tighter spacing, you can later drag the row boundary to fine-tune the height, and the text will still remain wrapped. You can also adjust the column width if you want fewer or more line breaks within the cell. Wider columns produce fewer wrapped lines, while narrower columns produce more. If you ever find that your wrapped text looks slightly misaligned, consider checking your horizontal and vertical alignment from the toolbar to center or left align as needed. And if you change your mind, you can return to Format, hover over Wrapping again, and choose either Overflow to let text extend past the cell, or Clip to hide anything that doesn't fit within the cell's edge. That's all there is to it. By wrapping text, your data stays readable, your layout stays tidy, and your sheet becomes much easier to scan at a glance.